There's a lot of noise in the home defense world right now. Everyone wants to sell you a carbine with a laser, a flashlight, and a price tag that costs more than your first car. But let's get real for a second. When things go bump in the night and your heart is hammering against your ribs, you don't need a complex system. You need the universal language of "get out of my house." You need a shotgun. The 12-gauge shotgun remains the undisputed king of close-quarters stopping power. One pull of the trigger sends 9 pellets of double-aught buckshot downrange. That is effectively hitting a bad guy with 9 9mm rounds, all at once. It is not polite, it is definitive. Today, we are cutting through the hype. We are ranking the top 5 tactical shotguns for home defense. We're starting with the budget-friendly workhorses that cost less than a grocery run, and working our way up to the semi-automatic legends that define tactical superiority. Whether you're on a tight budget or you're looking to buy the Ferrari of firearms, we've got you covered. Number 5. The Working Man's Hammer, Maverick 88 Security. The specs: gauge, 12 gauge, chamber, 3-inch, action, pump action, capacity, 7 + 1 rounds, barrel length, 20 inches, overall length, 41 inches, weight, 6.5 pounds, street price, about $240 to $280. We are kicking off this list with a gun that has probably protected more American households than any other firearm in history, purely based on volume, the Maverick 88. Think of this as the Honda Civic of the shotgun world. It is not pretty, it rattles a little bit when you shake it, but if you put gas in it, it runs. This is made by Mossberg, right alongside their legendary 500 series. But to cut costs, they moved the safety to the trigger guard and used a pinned forend. Does that matter when a threat is kicking down your door? Absolutely not. I've seen guys at the range treat these things like garbage. I saw a buddy of mine drop his Maverick in the mud, wipe it off with a dirty t-shirt, load it with cheap birdshot, and run it all day long without a single hiccup. The reality check is simple. The action is not smooth, it feels a bit like dragging a shovel over gravel, and the recoil pad is basically a piece of hard rubber that hates your shoulder. But for under $300, you're getting a 7 + 1 capacity pump shotgun that goes bang every single time. It sits at number 5 because it lacks the refinement and the customization options of the big boys. You can't easily swap the forend furniture. But for pure, raw value, it is untouchable. Number 4. The Tank, Mossberg 590. The specs: gauge, 12 gauge, chamber, 3-inch, action, pump action, capacity, 8 + 1 rounds, barrel length, 20 inches, overall length, 41 inches, weight, 7.25 pounds. Street price, around $500 to $600. If the Maverick 87 is the apprentice, the Mossberg 590 is the master. This is the shotgun you buy when you decide that good enough is no longer acceptable for the safety of your family. While the Maverick feels a bit cheap in the hand, the 590 feels like you are holding a piece of industrial machinery. It is heavy, it is solid, and it has a pedigree that very few firearms can match. This platform is the only pump-action shotgun to ever pass the U.S. Army's mil-spec 3443E torture test. That means it can handle abuse that would turn other guns into paperweights. The biggest upgrade here, and the reason I recommend spending the extra cash, is the controls. On the 590, the safety is located right on top of the receiver. It is ambidextrous. You can see it without looking down. When things are chaotic in the dark, being able to slide your thumb forward to fire
is a lot more intuitive than fumbling for a button on the trigger guard. Also, Mossberg designed the loading gate to stay up and out of the way. If you have ever tried to reload a Remington 870 under stress, you know the pain of getting your thumb caught in the trap door. The 590 solves that. You can feed shells into this thing fast without pinching your skin. Reality check. However, you have to respect the size. With a 20-inch barrel and a full tube of ammo, this is a long, front-heavy musket. Swinging this around a tight corner in a hallway takes practice. It is not a compact little carbine. It is a long gun in the truest sense. But if you can handle the weight, the 8+1 capacity gives you serious staying power without needing to reload. It takes the number 4 spot because it is arguably the best pump-action shotgun on the planet, but it is still a pump. And in a high-stress situation, human error can cause you to short-stroke the action. To eliminate that risk, we have to look at semi-automatics.
Number 3. The game changer. Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. Specs: gauge, 12 gauge. Action: gas-operated semi-automatic. Capacity: 7+1 rounds. Barrel length: 19.1 inches. Overall length: 38 inches. Weight: 7.1 pounds. Street price: about $950 to $1,100. For years, there was a massive gap in the shotgun market. You either bought a pump action for $500 or you had to sell a kidney to buy a reliable Italian semi-auto for $2,000. There was no middle ground. Then, Beretta dropped the A300 Ultima Patrol, and they effectively fixed the market. This is a gas-operated semi-automatic. That means instead of you physically pumping the slide to load the next round, the expanding gas from the fired shell does the work for you. The result? Speed. Pure, unadulterated speed. You can put effective rounds on target as fast as you can pull the trigger. But the real magic here is the recoil impulse. Because the gas system absorbs some of that energy to cycle a bolt, this gun shoots significantly softer than the pump-action Mossberg we just talked about. I have handed this to smaller shooters who were terrified of 12-gauge recoil, and after one magazine, they were grinning ear to ear. It comes out of the box ready to fight. It has aggressive texture on the grip so your sweaty hands don't slip. It has an enlarged loading port so you don't fumble shells. You don't need to send this to a gunsmith to make it tactical. It is ready on day one. Reality check. Now, is it perfect? No. The plastic furniture feels a little bit hollow compared to the higher-end models. And gas guns do get dirty. You have to clean this thing every few hundred rounds, whereas a pump gun can run dirty for a decade. But for a home defense tool that anyone in the family can use effectively, this is the new gold standard for the modern household. It sits at number 3 because it brings elite performance down to a working man's price point. But if you want the absolute pinnacle of speed and reliability, we have to climb higher up the Italian family tree.
Number 2. The War Machine. Benelli M4. The specs: gauge, 12 gauge. Action: ARGO piston-driven semi-automatic. Capacity: 5+1 or 7+1 rounds. Barrel length: 18.5 inches. Weight: 7.8 pounds. Street price: around $2,000. If you play video games or watch action movies, you know this shape. This is the Benelli M4. Since 1999, this has been the shotgun of choice for the United States Marine Corps. That title wasn't given, it was earned in the sandbox of the Middle East. While the Beretta A300 we just looked at uses a standard gas system, the Benelli uses the ARGO system. That stands for Auto-Regulating Gas Operated. Instead of getting dirty gas all over the action, it uses 2 stainless steel pistons just below the barrel to smack the bolt back. What does that mean for you?
It means this gun runs cleaner than almost anything else. It means you can drag it through the mud, submerge it in salt water, and it will still cycle full-power buckshot without a complaint. It is widely considered the most reliable semi-automatic shotgun ever built. When you shoulder this, you feel invincible. The ghost ring sights are fast, and the build quality is absolute perfection. There is no rattle, there is no play. It feels like a Swiss watch made out of tank armor. Reality check. But that tank armor comes at a cost. Literally, you are dropping $2,000 for the privilege, and it is heavy. Fully loaded, this thing is a beast to hold up for long periods. Also, due to import laws, many civilian models come neutered with a limited 5-round tube, meaning you have to spend even more money to unlock its full 7-round potential. It sits at number 2 because it is the undisputed king of battle. But for a home defense scenario, where speed and agility matter more than surviving a Fallujah patrol, there is one gun that manages to outpace it.
Number 1. The Champion. Beretta 1301 Tactical Mod 2. The specs: gauge, 12 gauge. Action: blink gas operating system. Capacity: 7+1 rounds. Barrel length: 18.5 inches. Weight: 6.4 pounds. Street price: about $1,600 to $1,800. And finally, we arrive at the number 1 spot. If the Benelli M4 is a tank, the Beretta 1301 is a Ferrari. This is widely considered the best tactical shotgun on the planet for civilians in 2026. Why? Because it solves the biggest problem of the Benelli: weight. At just 6.4 pounds, this gun is incredibly light. You can snap it from target to target with lightning speed. It balances perfectly in the shoulder, making it ideal for moving through the tight hallways of a house. Inside, it runs the legendary blink gas system. Beretta claims it cycles 36% faster than any other shotgun on the market, and I believe them. You can dump a full tube of buckshot into a target so fast that the first empty shell hasn't even hit the ground before the last shot breaks. It is terrifyingly fast. The new Mod 2 version fixes the few complaints people had with the original. It comes with a flat-faced trigger, an upgraded Pro lifter so you don't pinch your thumb, and aggressive texturing on the stock. It is optics ready, light ready, and sling ready. Reality check. It is expensive. You're looking at nearly $1,700, but unlike the Benelli, which feels like a piece of military hardware that tolerates civilians, the Beretta 1301 feels like it was custom built for you. It is reliable, it is light enough for anyone in the family to use, and it puts an overwhelming amount of firepower downrange faster than you can blink. That is why it is the king. So here's the bottom line. If you just need a tool to guard the door and you're on a budget, that Maverick 88 will serve you faithfully. It's ugly, but it works. But if you want every unfair advantage possible in a life or death scenario, the semi-automatics like the Beretta A300 or the 1301 are the future. They're faster, softer shooting, and easier to operate under stress. I want to hear from you. In a home defense situation, do you trust the mechanical reliability of a pump action or the raw speed of a semi-auto? Let me know in the comments below. Stay dangerous, stay safe.